The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled former President Donald Trump can remain on primary election ballots. The ruling reversed decisions in several states, including here in Maine, and it comes just one day before voters head to the polls, including in Portland, where election officials say it provides voters clarity. News 7's Alex Haskell has more.
Across Maine, election clerks are getting ready for Super Tuesday.
My staff has been busy for the last several months prepping everything for Election Day.
For Portland City Clerk Ashley Rand, it was business as usual until she was thrown a curveball back in December.
There was some confusion around it.
Maine Secretary of State Shanna Bellows ruled former President Donald Trump was ineligible to appear on the state's primary ballot because of his attempts to overturn the results of the 2020 election. A similar ruling was made in Colorado, and Trump fought it all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court.
What would happen if the decision was or wasn't made in time for Election Day? There was also some confusion of some voters that got their ballot and saw Trump on the ballot and wondered why.
But the High Court ruled Monday Trump can stay on the ballot.
Very uplifting. All 9 Supreme Court justices agreed. That doesn't happen very often.
Chairman of the Maine GOP, Joel Stetkin, says the party is glad the court ruled the way it did in time for Election Day.
Secretary of State Shanna Bellows, her decision was completely unconstitutional, trying to remove the ability of Republicans to vote for a Republican candidate of their choice.
A ruling Secretary Bellows has since withdrawn.
That means that Mr. Trump's votes will be counted tomorrow. What I think is important about that is that there is clarity for the voters, and that's a good thing.
That was News Center Maine's Alex Haskell reporting. Former President Trump celebrated the court's ruling today, calling it a, quote, big win for America.